Hello everyone. Creating a complete translator app in pycharm involves several steps, including creating a graphical user interface and implementing translation functionality. One of the most common ways to create a GUI for Python application is by using the tkinter library, which is included with Python. Here is a basic example of how to create a simple translator app using tkinter and the Google Translate API. In this example, we're using googletrans library, which provides access to Google Translate. So the first thing we have to do is install the required libraries. You need to install the googletrans library. So now, new project, create new window, so we have to install the library of copy review tools terminal, paste the code here, enter. Waiting for antivirus to scan the file. Good news, this file looks safe, as you can see. Now the file is completed. So now we have to execute the code. Select all, and paste the code here. Paste. Now it's time to test our application. Click here. As you can see, we have an application. So in the text to translate, for example, hello, I wanted to translate to Spanish, for example. Hola. How you doing? ¿Cómo estás? Please subscribe to my channel. Por favor, suscríbete a mi canal. Thank you for watching. Gracias por ver. I want to choose another language, for example, French. Thank you for watching in French. Merci d'avoir regardé. In Deutschland, danke, dass Sie zuschauen. How are you doing? In Deutschland, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir ou wie geht's Ihnen? Wie das Video und vergessen Sie nicht, es mit Ihren Freunden zu teilen. Commentez comme la vidéo. There is an error here, I think. Et n'oubliez pas de partager avec vos amis. That's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. See you next.